coming up with new recipes that you can use in multiple ways. So I'm gonna start with a Chipotle goat cheese spread. Add some oil to the pan over medium to medium-low heat. I'm gonna chop about 1/3 of a cup of white onion. This spread can be used in so many different ways. As a dip for crackers or for vegetables. You can also use it to spoon on freshly cooked pasta, and it gives you a quick, delicious, creamy weeknight meal. As that cooks and softens, I'm gonna start adding the rest of my things into my food processor. I have 6 ounces of goat cheese, and then I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of Chipotle in adobo sauce, and it has this sweet, spicy, smoky, tomatoey taste from the Chipotles in adobo sauce. And then I'm gonna coarsely chop 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes that are packed in oil. I love this combination because it's a different kind of sweet than what the Chipotles in adobo have. And then I'm just gonna add some salt, just a 1/2 teaspoon, because everything in here has so much flavor. Then let's check on how the onion is going. 1/4 cup of walnuts, but I'm gonna lightly toast them here as well. Just a little toast. I'm gonna add these into my food processor as well. So we have everything in here. Process these until completely smooth. You can eat it cold, just like this, but also you can use it as a spread for a sandwich. I'm gonna make myself a B.L.T. Just wait and see what's so great about this B.L.T. sandwich. So I have some thick slices of bacon that I cooked until crisp. I have a skillet over low heat. Crack a couple of eggs. I add an egg to whatever I can. I think it goes really well with a B.L.T. A sprinkle of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then I'm gonna cover them like these, and they're gonna cook for like 4 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut some thick slices. We're gonna toast the bread right in the rendered fat from the bacon. Perfect. So even though it's nice and toasted on the outside, because I cut some very thick slices, it's spongy. So when you bite into it, it's gonna be really soft. And now I'm gonna add a generous amount of the spread on both sides. If you have a spread like this, you really wanna make it the star of the sandwich. And it has a lot of things to compete here with. So I'm really adding a thick layer because I wanna really feel it when I bite into it. Another great thing about this spread is it can be used in so many ways. You can also serve it in little crackers, garnished with a little bit more bacon. Why not? Lettuce leaves. This is looking so pretty. And then I'm gonna add a couple of slices of tomato and my egg. So you're busy, everyone's busy. Make your life easy and make things that you can use in many ways. Yum! Fun, no? Oh, this is so beautiful! See what the spread is doing to the sandwich? Completely wrapping the fillings. Excuse me. That Chipotle goat cheese spread has a meaty quality to it, with its smokiness and its little bit of heat and the sweetness of the sun-dried tomatoes. It just comes together so beautifully, and then just I told you this was gonna be a B.L.T. like nothing you've ever seen, and you have got to try this.
La Costeña. More information at mexicorico.com.